Hi, we are 3 days away from the budget, and there are a lot of expectations from the budget 2023 this year. We analyzed the data of the last few years, and we figured out that on the budget day, mostly there is a huge amount of volatility crash that happens. And this time, we are going to cover a strategy wherein we will try to capture some amount of this volatility crash, and we will also take a directional trade in case the same happens. So our objective in this video will be to create a strategy that takes a trade before the budget completely ends. That is that we will take a trade during the high volatility moment, and we will ride onto this the whole scenario of the budget. We will convert it into a directional trade at one point, and if the directional trade doesn't happen, then we will take advantage of a good amount of theta decay on that particular day, which is the Wednesday, 1st of February 2023. So let's get into what exactly are we going to do. So the objective of the strategy is to get a 920 straddle, or in my case, I'll do it at 9:35. You can, of course, select your own timing as per your requirement. We will then short a call and a put based on spot, and post that we will have a 50% SL on the same. And once my SL is hit, I will shift the stop loss to cost. In my last video, there was a small mistake that a lot of people pointed out, which is why we are covering this video again. So in my entry condition, I have used a condition saying time greater than 9:35, and I'm using a position detail. So position detail is yours, so that in case both my call and put stop loss get hit, it shouldn't take a re-entry. I have also used a condition saying today is equal to the date of the budget, which is the 1st of February, Wednesday. I will now share my position builder out here. I have added my conditions to short a call, which will be a current week call, and a strike, which is basically the strike based on the spot. So you can see instrument name as NFO Nifty Bank, and it will basically round it to the nearest 100. This is how I will get my spot based on ATM. I've done the same for my put leg. Now you can see that I have added a repair once condition. In my repair once condition, I have used leg exit as my method to generate my stop loss. So I have covered leg exit in another video. So I have used my stop loss percent out here as 50. You can change it to whatever number you like, and you can test it with different numbers. Now you can see that I've also added one group, and in this group I have added one condition out here called traded instrument. Now this traded instrument condition, you see, doesn't have anything that it is checking, right? I mean, it is just there by itself. So this kind of a standalone condition is generally used to check if another condition has been executed or not. So let's assume out here I am checking for repair once of Bank Nifty 121. So this out here is repair once 111, and this out here would be repair once 121, because I'm looking at the second repair once. So I'm basically looking at this repair once. If I see that if this repair once has been executed, in that case I will change my stop loss. So in order to change my stop loss, I will use LTP is greater than traded instrument. So my stop loss will be captured based on this. So in case the price, the current traded price is more than my entry price, in that case I will want to square off the position. So this is how I can limit my loss to 50% in one leg, and if there is a U shape or a V shaped recovery, in that case I will again save my trade by exiting, by only having that 50% stop loss and not taking another 50% stop loss again. Similarly, I have used the same condition for my repair once 2, wherein I am adding a 50% stop loss on the entry leg, on the put leg, and I'm also checking if my repair once 111 has been traded. If my repair once 111 is traded, I will again shift my this means that my stop loss has been hit in my repair once, and now I will shift my repair once my current stop loss to cost. So this is how I will achieve it. The position builder is fairly straightforward. I have just clicked on copy out here and I have selected paste exit here. So this is how I can achieve the build for my position builder, and the same goes for my call leg and the put leg. Now in my universal exit, I have added a simple condition uh, wherein if my PNL is less than around 4,000, in that case I will exit it, or if my time is more than 324, I will exit. So I have also added a reactivate on exit as never, in order to make sure that the strategy does not take a secondary trade after my entry has been taken. So this is only for the budget day that I am targeting. I've also shared a link in the description using which you can duplicate the same strategy. If you need more such videos, feel free to let us know in the comments below, and we would be happy to take up the same. Thank you.